Man, that patch is looking good. That's just with quickset. Of course, I don't want to go over that with my paint, as you already know why. I'm not going to explain it again here. But at this point, I'm going to put the mud on there. Now, do I want to put it? I could put it all on with my 6-inch, you know, if I wanted. But I'm just going to go around this, and I'm going to try my 12-inch around the rest of it. But I could get by with a patch about like this with the 6-inch. Or if you have an 8-inch, you could do that too. But I'm going to try my 12-inch. Here I've got a 12-inch. This is a 12-inch broad knife, and they also have these in 10-inch. I would like a 10-inch here, but this is going to have to do. Now see, as I wipe it on there, I have to kind of go do this business because I got a lot on my blade that I can't get off. So I got to wipe it back off and grab it just at the tip like that and put on the next bit. Get another bite so I got enough on there. And now I'm going to bridge it out, the patch, just a little bit more. And I can put it on first, you know, most of the patch area before I wipe it off if I want. And now I can wipe it off. And if I see a little bit of white coming through, I can put a little bit more on, you know, where it needs it. I can do that. And as I'm wiping, I'm going to push harder on the left hand on the bottom side and let the other side float just a little bit to get it where I want. Or you can do it in sequence. You put some right there first. Now on the edge, you want to get the edge off. Okay? And then I can just keep moving forward. This one's kind of hard because it's around the light, you know? So I have to kind of work from the light on out. I mean, however it wants to work for you. Is there a rhyme or reason? I mean, most little small patches you can do however you feel comfortable, you know. You want a light touch on there, okay? Before you go on to the next bit, let's get some up there. You know, I'm extending the patch out further, cleaning off my blade as I go, and I can grab it and wipe it off. Do it nice and easy as you go, okay? Know when to be a bull in a china shop and know when not to, right? Move this out here so I can get to it. And if I want to get more at the outside edge, I just push my finger over there and I can bend this down and let the other side kind of float so I can wipe it off. You know? A little tricky around the light. If there wasn't a light here, it'd be way easier to do this patch. You know? So you're just going to have to work with it the best you can And if after this coat you need to put a little bit more mud on there, you could. I was hoping not to, but if I do, that's fine. I can do that. You know, I think I'm going to leave it just like that. Let that dry a little bit. Okay? And like I say, it's not going to take that long to dry because I don't have that much up here. But because this was kind of a funky patch with the eyeball light in the middle, I'm going to go ahead and put a tight skim coat on here. Had this just been a square, I could have easily gone straight across it and been done with one coat. Now see, my plan just changed a little bit, didn't it? I was hoping to just put one coat over that and let that dry and then put skip trowel over that. But because I felt I needed to put a little bit more on there, I'm gonna do that. But that's okay. All the other small little bits and pieces that I did, those will be dry sooner than this patch. But as soon as those get dry enough, then I can start doing my little skip trowel, you know, on all of the different little patches that I did. Okay? All these little patches, I can work on those and put the little skippy trowel on there. I can go around that light. I can take my time. And the good thing is, all of this is with the all-purpose joint compound, and it's a wet material, so it's not going to dry up. I've got all the time in the world to do those patches. So I can do that while I'm waiting for that one there to dry.